about fishing for survival. We're heading out to the fishing spot. Our grocery store is out of meat. We're out here to catch fish, but we're out here to put some meat on the table. Yeah, well, this is how our day starts right here. Christy just got soaking wet.
I thought it was supposed to be springtime. It was 90 degrees like 3 days ago.
Good thing we brought our brand new frog togs out.
I didn't even take, these are Jeff's. I didn't even take the tags off. Jeff?
You look great.
Yeah, if I was gonna be like 100 pounds heavier. All I know is I am not getting wet.
You look like a NASA astronaut.
It's
A
not
camouflage
funny.
NASA astronaut.
Ha ha ha. Alright, spot numero tres. Hopefully we can find some fish. Oh, there's a fish. Oh. Alright, y'all. Wow, second cast up into this spot.
Please be a keeper.
That guy was trying to tell us that there ain't no fish up in here. Ooh, babe, grab the net. Please grab the net. I think it's a pup. Puppy drum. Is that a trout? Puppy drum. Get him up on in here, babe. Oh, come on. Help a sister out, would you?
There you go.
All right, y'all.
Oh, he might be 18. He's got some.
You think? Man, he's short by one. All right, you guys, time to let this little redfish go. Always good to revive your fish. Get some oxygen back in them before you let them go. You ready, fish? Oh, there he goes. He's off. Oh wow, that's a big one.
Yeah. I love fishing in the wind. Fishing in the wind is so fun, people. That's nifty.
I know, I'm pretty nifty person.
Oh, fell out. Fish. There we go.
Yeah?
Yep, a good one. All right, people. I'm on a good one. What do we have here? Please be a keeper, red. Cast back in there. That'd be awesome if it was a big trout.
Is it nice? Weird.
All right, people. First redfish of the day. Not a keeper. There's a fish. There we go. All right, people. Fish on.
Are you using my quarter ounce?
1/8. I got a fishy. I got a fishy. Is it gonna be meat? Feels like a drum. Please be a trout, though. Oh, puppy drum. Little puppy drum. Sweet. That is a puppy drum. English muffin, some pepperoni. Oh, there's one. Fish on. Yep, that looks like a trout. That is a nice trout. That is dinner. Yeah, meat's back on the menu, boys. We can get them in the boat. That's a good sized trout. Boat flipping. Come into my net. Whoa, look what he just threw up.
Ew, what is that?
That's what I'm talking about. Fishing for survival. Thank you, sir. This is the most ghetto rig stringer. Desperate times, people. Desperate times. All right, y'all, so this is I think it's our third spot. Let me just show y'all what's going on here. So we've got this nice marsh island right here. These tides are really high right now. We have this like north wind that's blowing all this water like down pretty much like down the ocean, down the Chesapeake Bay, and it's filled all of our rivers and all of our intercoastal waterways down here where we're fishing. And there's a crazy bird hanging out on this dock over there. So anyway, so we're just fishing this outgoing tide, and we've got this current that's outgoing tide, so the current's coming down here, like going out this creek, but it's also coming off this, flat right here. So right here is like a perfect spot. So we've got all these like ambush points. We've caught some redfish, trout. So we're just gonna kind of post up right here, and we're just jigging our soft plastics. We're also kind of swimming them too. The wind is pretty crazy. So that's pretty much the program. That's what we're doing. Just trying to put some meat on the table. There he is. Fish on. That feels like a good trout. I'm on. Please be a trout. Oh, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Striper.
Striper?
Yeah, baby striper.
Get it.
Yeah.
Get it, babe.
Well, ain't that just funny?
You just hit the slam.
The inshore slam. Look at that little football. Just a little football. Oh, that's oyster rocks we're on. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh.
Oh, wow, I don't know, because it's a crappy line. It's crazy because the birds are like, oh, there was a fish. There's a fish. All right, y'all. New spot, and yeah, just got on. I don't know.
Big trout.
I'm hoping it's a big old trout, but we'll see. Kind of is fighting like one. It's got some head shakes to it. Jeff, what is it? Yeah. Oh, it is? Sweet. Huh?
Yeah, I'll be right at it.
Nice. All right, people, just got on a little yellowmouth, but he is a keeper. This MinnowZ by Z-Man is getting the job done. These two trout are gonna be going home. We're gonna be cooking them up tonight, and gonna try and at least put a few fillets into the freezer, if not into our bellies. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them on. Just ghetto rigged stringer over here.
All right, y'all, here we are back into the kitchen. So we got ourselves 2 keeper trout today. So this right here is probably going to suffice for dinner for me. So Christy and I caught probably 7 or 8 fish today. It was really challenging because it was really windy. Give me all that meat. All right, people, so for today's survival recipe, we're just gonna bake this fish. Very easy, very quick. We're gonna keep these simple. We're actually gonna use some taco seasoning on these fillets. I'm really hungry and I don't feel like going through my pantry because Christy and I, we just moved and I am absolutely starving. So I'm gonna go for the easiest thing that was right in front of me, and that was taco seasoning. That's the thing about these fish, how do you open this? Is whatever you put on these, it'll taste good. Since this is all I'm eating tonight, definitely gonna make the most out of this. All right, taco seasoning, and just a little bit of pepper, why not? So I'm gonna do a little extra virgin olive oil on this just to give it a little bit of just extra flav, little flavor.
It helps it to be super moist and super flaky.
So that right there, survival, catch and cook. Thank you to Christy for catching one of these trout. All right, there it is. If we were on an island right now, I would be bringing home dinner. Woo, that does not look that bad right there, boys. All right, people. There it is. Day 1. we're sitting pretty today. If we were on an island, we'd be drinking coconuts and having a bonfire, telling stories and feeling good, and everybody would be all happy and jolly and everything, because look at that. Oh yeah. What's up, Tom Hanks? Channeling my inner castaway. You guys, look at that. So hopefully I'm actually gonna be shedding a few LBs just eating fish. But there it is. First survival meal, speckled trout. Not too shabby. There it is, the money shot survival food. It's not too shabby, y'all.